Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back in to the garage. So for any of you that have owned a third generation Toyota 4Runner, you certainly very likely could have come across this issue within the life cycle of your ownership, and that is a floppy air vent in the center dash. I'm telling you, that thing has haunted me for quite some time, and I'm almost embarrassed to say how long I've just lived with it. But for a little while now, we will say, I've lived with both of my air vents in the center dash being completely floppy. They don't keep their spot. You can't keep them in any place. And so therefore, when you turn on your air conditioner, you're not able to direct the airflow in any particular location. In this case, it just goes to the ceiling because both of them just float up. Now, some of you guys might have done what I've done and rigged it with a little piece of paper to just keep its spot. But there's a simple fix and it doesn't cost a lot of money, and I finally have done it. So I'm thankful that I've gotten around to it. And it's this guy right here. New parts. There is actually a little tiny piece on the side of this air vent that, if it gets broken, is the complete culprit for your floppy center vents. So this is gonna be a quick video, but man, I'm telling you, I'm so excited to finally have this done and not have that embarrassing little piece of paper there on my air vents anymore. Let's go get it done. All right, here we are. We're finally gonna fix this super annoying little problem. And what I tell you, I've been rigging it. Don't blame me. Don't judge me. That's what I'm gonna say. All right, so here's the problem, right? Floppy air vents. And there's a culprit and a reason for this. And I'm gonna show you guys why as we fix this. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna use this body panel puller part here, and I'm gonna go from the inside towards the clock, and we're just gonna work this one free here. There we go. We're gonna pull it out, and you can see there's two different ends here. That little thing is the culprit. That is the cause of all of our problems. I'll show you on the new one, which is 55063-35030 part number. I will show you the difference. Right, we've got the same part, old and new. There's the issue right there. That little grommet, I'll try to see if I can get it in the sunlight. That little grommet right there, that's the keeper. That's what I'm missing. That is what keeps your tension in place and lets your air vents not be floaty vents. So yeah, super excited about this. We're gonna clean out this inside here while we got it. Now there are two little pegs here, one here and one here, and that is what your air vent will seat into. Man, golly, that's fantastic. I'll tell you, you don't even realize like the little things, you know, this air vent moving this back and forth, super flimsy, if you will. This is really tight. I mean, that's kind of the easiest way I can say it. That's nice. All right, so we are going to slide the new air vent in. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get this into that peg seated all the way. Okay, I'm gonna create a little bit of space here for that new air vent and seat it in just like that. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Oh man, it stays where you put it. Oh, it's the little things in life. It is the little things in life. All right, let's just let's stop overreacting here. I guess I'm getting a little too excited. And let's take this other one out. We're gonna do the same process here. Yep, from the inside. Grab the old one. There we go. See you later. And we're gonna clean in here while we're at it. You know, why not? And again, we've got the two pegs there. This is our second new air vent. And we're gonna approach this one in the same exact manner here. Yep. One of these pegs is smaller and one is larger. The smaller peg goes on the side with that grommet. So I'm gonna seat it in, okay? And I'm gonna take my body panel puller and create a little bit of space there. And there you go, snaps in. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's just the little things in life that make everything so much better. I am so excited. The kids are going to be so happy. My passengers are going to be so happy. We can now direct air where it should go. Man, what a great fix. I think in total, I got this off of eBay for about 50 bucks, super fast shipping. And I couldn't be happier. If you guys have floppy air vents and you want to replace them, get yourself new air vents, make this change. I guarantee you, you're going to be happy. It's going to elevate your interior back to the way it should be. Hope you enjoyed it. Share your results, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.